here again. I'm putting together another birthday arrangement here that's going on. This is an order that came from our website that I'm putting together. So just getting a little bit lonely here, so I'm just gonna do this to kind of keep myself company and kind of show you guys a tutorial in a way as well. So with everything that's going on, we kind of have to branch out our do what we can to kind of keep in touch and whatever it is that we need to do to keep our sanity going. So here I got this cube. I just kind of created a grid with all my greenery, just like that. So I can turn it around. It's going to be a little bit of an all-around arrangement here. So spray a little bit of the leaf shine here. It just kind of brightens it up a little bit for us. See how pretty that looks and fresh. Okay, so the first thing that's going to go in would be our nice, beautiful asiatic lily. And all of them is kind of, I want to put this in the vase, next to the vase, so because that's where it's going to be going. This is my focal flower, so that's why I want that in there. See how beautiful that is? Okay, so other than that, this one we're going to use some really nice, there we go, yellow cushions. Doesn't that make you smile? Here, let's see, I'm going to, again, cut. Again, these have multiple stems, so it's going to be in the way for us to get in the water, so I gotta clean up that stem there, see? Okay, so I'm going to insert this diagonally in, because again, I'm trying to continue to kind of build the grid that we have going on here. And these stems are really good here, because this is still, I'm still working on one stem right here, but I'm going to cut it up into multiple ones. Again, I'm going to insert it going sideways to kind of continue that grid, as well as here. So I'm protecting the lilies here. Just make sure you kind of move it out of the way. Okay, you don't want anything damaging it. Just a reminder, if your first time with me here, we do cut all of our stems in an angle. Okay, look how beautiful that is. That's one nice stem there. There we go. With whatever arrangement that's going on, you always have a focal point, which is your pretty much your front part. So I'm looking at it, so it's kind of hard for me to work backwards, but you always have one I want to say main front part. So here I'm just going to cut a little bit to kind of help disperse it later, because you want to make sure whatever colors we use, unless it's a pie style arrangement, most traditional arrangements have a disbursement of colors. Okay. Again, so I'm going to turn this to my front. This is my front here, and what I'm going to do is that's how we open the roses. We don't spit on them, we blow, gently blow. It's because we don't want to put too much of our oils. And I'm just simply moving all the guard petals. You see, it's kind of damaged, and those are just purely to protect the flowers. See how pretty that is? Okay. It will continue to open, it will continue to blossom, but we want to make sure we remove all the guard petals, which has been protecting it in transit, in the coolers. So we're about to use them, when we are using them, excuse me, we will remove remove them, just like you remove any packaging off of anything that you purchase, correct? Okay. Alrighty, so here we go. I do have my focal, which is the front here. Okay, look how that's going already. And then I'm going to put one towards the back because we don't want it to be left out. When you're working with the lilies, remember, keep in mind that you want to make sure they have room to open up later. So this is called a trachelium. Look how fuzzy. Perfect. We got these for St. Patrick's Day, but unfortunately we weren't able to send a lot of orders out since we had to close up, and because of this whole ordeal here. So there you go. You kind of see it right there, fluffy and nice. And I'm going to put one in the front since that is the focal section there for me. And I'm using this counter. So when you're placing arrangements in the vase, you want to make sure it goes down and into the water. If you're angling it, that's totally fine too. We just want to make sure that it hits the glass, okay? And it hits an area where there's going to be water. So I'm gently moving this lily here to make room for that. Okay, without bruising it. And I do have this one stem here. You know, nothing goes to waste, so I'm gonna find a spot for it. It's a little itty bitty one. You see it there, right here. So, got it. So, how's that? Pretty much done. Just gotta add a little bit more of these yellow cushions here to kind of fill in what's left of the gaps that we have. Again, whatever flowers you put in, make sure you do have it cut in an angle. Put this last one in the front since that is the focal there. And voila! There we go. Nice cube arrangement. There. Okay. I'm gonna do this because we don't have buds, but these are natural, so that one's gonna not leave a good taste in anyone's mouth or the recipient. Alrighty. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.